Welcome to the first lesson of Microsoft Office Word. In this lesson, we're going to have a general information and ways to open Microsoft Office Word. There are some ways in order to open Microsoft Office Word. I will show you how to open it. At first, right click, go to the new, click Microsoft Word document. We will write the name, book, enter, click it. This is the first way to open Microsoft Office Word. The second way is with the CMD. Click Windows R, write CMD, and here write Start When Word, enter. This is the second way. The third way is to open address bar. There's a way to open address bar in here. Click right in here, go to toolbar and address. Click address. So in here we will write when Word, and that's it. This is the third way. Another way to open Microsoft Office Word is to right click, go to text document, open text document. In here write Start When Word, then go to file, save as it, write the name like Word with the suffix of BAT or BAT. We will have this in desktop. Yeah, it says that we already have this. We will write Word 1. Save. Close this area. And you can see it shows us as a virus. When we double click this, the Microsoft Office Word will be open. So let's introduce you this area. This area is called control area, control button. This is the close button, this is the maximum button, the minimize button, and the help button. This is the software name Word. This is home. In home we have new, like we can open a new document in here, blank page, and these are the prepared documents. In here we have recent. In recent we have our documents that we recently opened, like this book, a part of their story, CTMU, shortlisted. These are the recent opened files. Click to the blank document. This is control button, close button, maximize button, minimize button, ribbon. In ribbon we have 3 options. I will introduce one by one. So this is the title bar. These are tabs, and a collection of tabs are called menu bar. So this is the quick access toolbar, that there are some commands that we are going to learn. This is the undo and redo button. This is the save button. These options are called command. A collection of commands are called command box, and this area is called ribbon. So that's why we have this option. Auto hide ribbon. This is the first option. When we click this, our ribbon will be hidden. In order to show a ribbon, we click the ribbon and show tabs. We will have our tabs, and in order to show all of our tabs and comments, we click show tabs and comments. We call this page. This is the page area. This is the information area. Why we call this information area? Because when we write anything in here, it will give us an information. It says like there is one page and there is a bunch of words and it is written in English. When I open another pages, also it will be shown in here. That's why we call this information area. So guys, this was a general information about Microsoft Office Word and ways to open this software. Do not forget to like and subscribe our page, and don't forget to follow the course.